Hey friends, if video thumbnails are not showing on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, as you can see, we have thumbnails here, but let us say if the view was something else, let's say it was small icons, or if it was like some other sort of icons, like it was a details tab, then you wouldn't see the thumbnails. So thumbnails are only available for medium, large, and extra large icons, okay? First of all, this is one thing. Now, the second thing is that there is a setting. If you search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance in performance, so you'll notice that there is something called a show thumbnails instead of icons. If you uncheck this and click on apply and then on OK, the thumbnails are gone. So basically, the issue was with this specific setting, and we can go back to the same page and turn this on, click on apply and then on OK. And if you're confused, just go back to the same page and click on adjust for best appearance, apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.